Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, I passed an account or tried to pass an account in 3 trades. Did I do it? Okay, so we will see. So the model I used was the CRT, okay? And I'm live trading and I'm also trying to explain the trades. So bear with me. I did some mistakes because I was trying to solve out a screen issue for the recording. So I closed one trade really prematurely, which ended up hitting TP. Okay. So the account I used was this 50k option one account. Okay. So I took it for 15 bucks and I tried to pass it. Did I succeed? I don't know. I will let you guys know. So thank you for all the guys that are using the Diogenes codes, and I want to tell you guys that I have always the link tree pinned in my first comment in YouTube, all the YouTube's video, so you can see all the active prop firm promotions, and you can also join the free Discord. Okay. All right, boys. I will let you with the videos. Okay. Here. I don't know if you can see it in my chart, so I'm just started a Bulenox account, okay? And I'm trying to pass it in one trade, okay? So I had this beautiful inverse fair value gap here that I bought in here, and now I'm trying to aggressively add, okay? So we have this fair value gap that I'm trusting here now. This one, this needs to hold. Okay, so this needs to hold, right? Stand price higher. The moment we see ISD this candle, I will go break even. Okay, so this is CSD for me. Okay, right? So this now safe. I'm up how much? $900. Okay, so this is how I'm full porting the account. So I'm adding now. I'm adding another 10. Okay. Okay, so I think these highs are getting taken now, but nothing is guaranteed. Okay. 1,500 even now. I'll flatten this, right? Maybe they played with my mind, but I'm not taking any risk. Okay. So up 1,000 and something, right? I will let you know when I get my other trade. For some reason, I'm up 762. I don't think you can see it in my screen because I have only this window open, right? But let me see if I can show you the screen. This one, not this one either, not this one, not this one. Cool. So we can see that, but my TP, as you can see, was hit. But because of the trailing drawdown, I didn't want to take like too much risk. Okay, no problem. I will get it in the next trade. Okay, I'm just waiting for a high quality setup and I will continue this video. Okay, so I am up $700. Okay, so I'm back and I figured out how to work with the screen. Okay, So here, as you can see, so this is the account, and I'm up $713. Okay. Hi everyone. So I'm back actually, and I'm thinking I'm going in here. Okay. Under this fair value gap, I will take something. Okay. So I'm in. Stops above the fair value gap, and I will take here. This reaction, if I'm being honest. I really don't like this reaction, but I'm try to add. Okay, no, try to pass this guy. Okay, this should just go down. Okay, get this low. Is the target for sure. Okay, I'm just flattening it. Okay, I want to play in here. No problem. 51,600. Okay, cool. I will be back with the next trade. Okay, guys. By the way, guys, I'm back, and unfortunately, I bailed here while the CRT setup worked like a charm. Okay, so the CRT low was the hourly here. So this is the setup I took. So we already swept the low. So it was this candle, we swept its high, right? Why I entered actually. So this was the candle that closed above the high. When we closed under, we also inversed this fair value gap. I entered. Okay. So the TP for the CRT was here and it was hit. Okay. So it was a beautiful setup. We are still 1,600. To be honest, I don't know what happened to me. This should have been it, right? And more. But it's not a problem. We'll find another trade and we will get it. Okay. Oh, I'm in another trade and it was a 5 minute CRT this time. Entry on the 15 second. Okay. So I'm not trusting this one very much because it's a bit counter trend. Okay. I will just let it play to be honest. I will just let it. My stop, I think, will be here. Can I trust my stop? Maybe last line of defense is will be here. Okay, cool. So we're up. Oh, okay, cool. Keep going. should retrace a little bit and then move. If it's bullish, right? Just like that. Here and move, move, move. If not, there is this fair value gap. Okay, I will add more. No problems. This should move now. If not, closing. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, baby. Do it for daddy. Go, 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 go. Stop loss is now here. Whatever happens, happens. Okay, go, go, Nasdaq. Let's go, baby. Go, baby. You can do it. You can do it. I know you have the guts to do it. Come on, go, go. Let's go, baby. Account. What's up? Account is best, right? And more, and more, and more, and more. Come on, that's how we do it, baby. Let me explain to you the setup. Let me explain to you the setup, okay? Right, let me explain the setup. So, 5 minutes, okay? So we had this huge candle in here, all right? And this candle, the low was here, okay? And I knew it will give at least a reaction to give me my funded account, okay? So we go to 15 seconds. So this was the candle that actually closed under the CRT. I waited for it to get engulfed and I bought these retracements. This is still bullish because this is maybe the OTE for this move and we are now maybe going up, okay? But nothing is guaranteed in trading, you know? Everything can fail. So let's see, right? So this is what we want to at least, I want at least the 50% of this CRT as a target. That's why I cut and my target was there, okay? So this is just the OTE for now. This normally should explode up. Here we go, here we go. Right, so this is live price action. Okay. So this was the OTE. Second candle entry is usually the OTE. So this should explode up to target these equal highs or at least this 50%. But I'm not interested. Why? Because I got my objective and more. Okay. I will come back later, guys. I will stop the recording here and I will come back and see. Let's see what happened. Okay. I need to go eat. Okay. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, the 50% is hit, and we are now going maybe for this target as well. This is really why I tell you always, guys, please. This CRT thing is really crazy, to be honest. Okay, so I just went and submitted the account passing form, right? So they told me that they will review and it could take 1 to 2 business days. Okay, so congratulations and everything, right? So I will let you guys know when they send me more information so you can know what to expect when you are doing the same thing as well. Okay, bro, so as you can see, the CRT high was hit, although it was that beautiful 5-minute candle, but CRT is like crazy. Okay, so this was the CRT. The key level was an old low burst, this old low, into a order block, huge candle candidate of CRT, bulky and thick. We sweep it, close above, second candle offers the OTE. So when we close above the first candle, you can buy blindly targeting the high. Okay, so this is how I scalped my way to get funded. So I did the same thing for the 1 hour, as you guys can see, right? Let us see here. So the 1 hour was more, gave more points and was more time related. So we had this 8 a.m. candle, all right? Or maybe this was the 8 a.m. candle. So the 8 a.m. candle into a fair value gap was a textbook level trade, and then we proceeded and printed a inside candle, which make the range more higher probability. But I wasn't in my element in here because this was like beautiful trade. Should have entered in this small retracement, target this low, and called it in one trade. But we had more fun, right? We had more fun. Okay. So this is it for today's video, and I hope you liked this one a lot, right? Unfortunately, we didn't use the moneymaker model in these trades because price was messy, okay? And I'll try to do another video when I will try to pass an account in one trade or something like that with the moneymaker, right? Okay, boys, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next videos, okay? Ciao, ciao. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any futures update. And if you want to dive deeper into the moneymaker setup, check out the playlist that will pop up in the end screen. It's packed with everything you need to get started. Remember, everything I do is free, including our thriving Discord community. Join us and let's keep growing together. Ciao, ciao.